Hi, and welcome to Just 2020, where today we are going to be folding sweater dresses. You have the long sleeved, you can have short sleeved, and then you can have ones with the, lots of neck to it. And this should work for adults, children's, slim size, plus size, A-line or straight. There is a pattern on the front, so we will put that facing down. We will fold in according to the neckline and then straight down, smoothing as we go. We will make this the straight line with the shoulder, and then do it a corner in. Now, depending on the size of your sweater dress, you may overlap when you hit the neckline if it's larger, or if it's thinner, then it may not, and that's okay. That makes not too much difference. It might be a little bit bulkier, but depending on the length of your sweater dress, the best way would be to fold the bottom up a little bit smaller than what you would, the final product you want for the height, and then once. And since this part is wanting to come undone, doing it twice, and then folding this. Make sure you leave a little room, a little space here to take up all of this. Squish it a little. And then we have our, even if though it's on a slippery surface, it is standing up on its own. And this will work well in a drawer, on a shelf, in a bin or basket, even in your laundry basket when you're transferring. We're going to fold the same, but since it is a larger neck, we're not going to have our fold at the neckline. We're going to actually go in a little bit further. So we fold this in, smoothing it as we go. Because if we were to fold it at the neckline, it really wouldn't work too well. So we choose to fold it to the middle and then keep our line straight for the arm, shoulder. Yes, this one is more of an A-line, so it's a little bit more difficult to get it to fold how we wish. We want it in a nice rectangular shape and nothing sticking out. We do a fold at the hemline, fold right under the armpit so that it all kind of holds that in. And then since that's the area that's going to unfold the easiest or fastest, that is our second fold. And then it stays up on its own. Now here we have a very similar to the first. It is longer, because it is a thinner fabric. So we are going to fold the neckline in, making our straight line down, fold the sleeve, and again at the neckline. This one does overlap because it is an A-line. A very noticeable A-line. And that is where we would overlap instead of just matching up. You could fold it hem to neckline, and then since it's so thin, do 3 folds there. And that does stand up on its own. And we can see the little button details. And that gives us different ways of KonMari folding our sweater dresses using Marie Kondo's KonMari method. The one fun thing about this is you can pick them all up and move them to place them in your basket, on your shelf, or in your drawer. So this is what my drawer of KonMari folded sweater dresses looks like after they're all folded and neat and tidy. And if I were to store my KonMari folded sweater dresses on a shelf, this is what they'd look like.